In this video, we're going to go through the process of creating training records. Before we can start creating training records, you'll need to go and configure your training subjects. To access your training subjects tab, scroll down to the very bottom of your menu bar and select Data Settings. From there, scroll down to Training Subjects. Once you're to the Training Subjects page, press the Create Training Subject button at the top right. This will allow you to create a new training subject. From here, we're going to give it a name. Then your ISO classification. If you're unsure about which classification to go with, click this little I next to it and it will give you a description of each one. For the tests, I'm going to go ahead and just select company training and I'm going to just type in narrative. Once you do that, hit the save button. Now that you've got your training subject created, you'll be able to see any training sessions that has taken place using this. I will also show you how you can generate reports for your ISO audits and using this information as well. Now that we've got our training subject created, we'll scroll down to your training tab here on the menu bar. Select the Create Training button there. Now you can select your training subject. You can do this by typing, so let's just do driver's training. You can select the date and time. By default, it's going to show the current date and time. However, you can adjust that out. If you check the create timesheets, then it will generate the timesheets for these personnel that's entered in here. How many hours? You can also do decimal points as well. Your points issued. If you do anything more than 0 points, it will create those point tracker records as well, if that's what your department uses. And then you can select all your personnel. You can do the select all button there and then uncheck the ones that wasn't there is what I find to be the easiest. You can put in your training narrative and your training comments if you have any. Once you're done with that, go ahead and hit that save button and it will bring you back to your list view. Now, a few things about your list view is you can click the 3 dots to the right of the magnifying glass and you can select any of these filters, one or more filters in fact. So if you wanted to see all classification that was labeled as company training, then you can do that and that will show you all those records. Now, this is not necessarily your reporting side of things, this just gives you the ability to search records. Your reporting side, we will scroll down to the reports. We will click on the training folder, scroll down to the training hour report, click on it, and by default it will be empty or use the last one that you selected. You can do any classification, you can do any training subject, you can filter it out by time, and of course any personnel. So I'm going to select is not empty. I'm going to run my report, I'm going to print to PDF, and then it will open up your reports and it will tally all of your training hours. So in this case, this person here has 4 training hours, this person here has 12 in that time slot. You can print that report for your ISO audit at that time. If you have any questions, we invite you to reach out to Support Services. We're happy to assist you. Thank you.